Alright, so turn signals are done. Finally. Just gotta tie up some of the wires, but I think they came out kind of nice. Did end up getting some new mounts for them to attach to the forks. Right, chaw. But they're going to do what we need them to do. They're nice and bright, too. So, got that done, finally. No time like the present, I guess. But we're happy with them. Like the way they turned out. Like I said, they're nice and bright. So that'll be good. And really, fairly easy to wire in. What we ended up doing on the rears, wasn't overly happy with doing it, but I ended up just drilling a little hole right through the fender there, running it through there. When we go to paint it, I'll probably take some JB Weld and fill in some of the other holes and smooth those out, or just use some Bondo. I don't know yet. But at least turn signals are done and they're working. Like I said, we're happy with the way they turned out.